Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into, well, it's a bit of a beast. The PureLink VIP-EXT-T300-1.
It really is. It's an Ultra HD 4K HDMI and USB over IP extension system. That's quite a mouthful.
It is. And I think our mission here for you is to get past the spec sheet, to really understand how this kind of advanced AV over IP technology just completely conquers distance.
And not just distance, but massive complexity, all while pushing, perfect 4K video.
So where do we start with this thing?
I think you have to start with fidelity and speed. I mean, you're looking at 4K at 30 hertz, which is great, but the real key is the full 4.4.4 color space.
Okay, hold on. For anyone listening who isn't, knee-deep in color theory, what does maintaining 4.4.4 actually mean for the user? Why not a lighter 4.2.0 codec?
Well, that's the difference between watching a movie and actually working. 4.4.4 means every single pixel's color information gets there intact. There's no color degradation at all.
So if you're looking at fine text or spreadsheets.
Exactly. Or editing photos, or a mission-critical control room display. 4.2.0 would be a disaster. You'd be throwing away half the essential data.
Right.
And the real breakthrough here is coupling that perfection with speed. The latency it's almost nothing. It's reported at less than 17 milliseconds.
Which, for KVM keyboard, video, mouse is basically zero lag. You could be controlling a computer 70 miles away and not even feel it.
You wouldn't. And for those enterprise users, you have the compliance side, too.
Yeah.
This is fully HTTP 2.2 compliant.
The digital handshake, so all your protected content just works.
It just works.
Okay, so we have the quality. Let's talk about that geography piece.
Right. If we connect this to the bigger picture, we really do move from quality control to geography control. But first, you have the two core parts, the encoder, the TX, which is the brain at the source.
And the decoder, the RX, which is the brain at the display.
Exactly.
So moving 4K a few hundred feet over a standard C cable is already pretty impressive. You're getting, 150 meters point to point?
Yeah, or double that to 300 meters if you put a network switch in the middle.
But that's still just down the hall, really. How does PureLink truly conquer geography?
This is where it gets really, really interesting. Because when you use fiber transport, the range just explodes.
How much are we talking about?
We're talking up to 37 miles direct.
37.
And if you route it through a network switch, that doubles. A colossal 74 miles.
Wow. Okay, just to put that in perspective for you, that's further than crossing entire cities. You could connect a corporate headquarters downtown with a campus way out in the suburbs.
An entire metropolitan area, really. And it isn't just distance, it's the scale. This system can manage matrix switching up to 999 sources.
And send them to a potential 65,000 displays. Traditional AV matrix switchers they can't touch that. Not even close.
But moving a signal 74 miles is one challenge. Ensuring that signal is actually useful when it arrives is the next one. And that's all about the intelligence inside the decoder, the RX unit.
Right, it's not just a dumb box. It has a built-in scaler and video wall processing, doesn't it?
It does. Up to an 8x8 configuration built right in.
Which, for an installer, is huge. You don't need a separate, expensive video wall processor.
It's a massive simplification. And that built-in scaler, paired with image rotation, means you can mount displays in portrait mode, or even upside down, with no extra hardware.
Oh, that's clever. And I saw it has full USB 2.0 support.
Yeah, so it's not just for your keyboard and mouse. You can extend a camera, an external hard drive, whatever you need.
And the HDMI lead out on the TX, the encoder, that seems like a small thing, but for an IT manager?
It's critical. It means a technician can plug a monitor in right there in the server rack and see exactly what's being sent out. It simplifies troubleshooting massively.
And from an integration standpoint, it seems to tick every modern box. High-end audio.
Dolby True HD, ATMOS. Your high-resolution audio isn't compromised.
And for the IT team, there's PoE. Power over Ethernet.
Right, 802.3 AF, so you can power the units directly from a compliant network switch. Much less cable clutter.
Plus, it plays nice with the big control systems.
It does. You've got a QSYS plug-in, Crestron module. It integrates natively into the two biggest control systems in the enterprise world. It's not some closed-off system.
So when you put all of that together, what does it all mean for you? It feels to me like this device finally completes the merging of high-demand AV with, robust IT networking.
I agree completely. This box makes video distribution as flexible and as scalable as your existing network infrastructure.
Which leads to a pretty big final thought, doesn't it?
It really does.
Yeah.
What possibilities open up for sprawling corporate or campus environments when a single, secure video distribution system can stretch 74 miles and control 65,000 displays simultaneously, all while integrating seamlessly with their existing network.